Ayaw ko ng droga. Ayaw ko ng kidnapper. Ayaw ko ng hold-upper. Ayaw ko ng snatcher. Lumayas kayong mga pangit na kriminal.
Kaya kung ayaw ninyong minto at patuloy pa rin ang karahasan, pabarilin ko kayo. Ayaw ko yung drugs. Mamamatay ka talaga dito, putang ina mo. Magpalayo ka.
A few minutes after his pronouncement, we immediately constituted a team to investigate all these generals that are who were named during the. Okay, I think this was during the 69th anniversary of the Philippine Air Force in Pampanga.
Hindi ko po matatanggap yan kasi sa kabila po ng ginagawa namin na laban sa drugs, sa kampanya ng ating bagong presidente at ng ating bagong halal na GPNP na si Sir De La Rosa. Ito ba po yung kapalit na sa aming lahat ng ginagawa? Na unang-una ay isa po ako sa galit na galit sa drugs.
The president is very clear on this matter. Kaya ayaw niya na the investigation will drag on because normally an investigation that drags on till eternity is always subject to suspicion that things are being fixed. So in our case, we will never go into that situation where the investigation becomes a subject of public scrutiny, So we are assuring now the public that the investigation to be conducted by the NAPOLCOM is going to be a straight-ahead investigation. In fact, the directive given to the investigation team is they should complete the investigation within 7 days. And then after that, we will go into the actual summary dismissal proceedings. That's why we are estimating by way of a timeline that we could complete the entire process within a month's time. We will come up with a very clear pronouncement by way of coming up with a in-bank resolution to be signed by all commissioners, including the secretary of the local government, who is the chairman actually of the N-Bank Commission.
President, kaya ko po kayong tingnan mata sa mata. Kaya ko pong isubject ang aking sarili for lie detector test. Ako po si Police Chief Superintendent Edgardo Gonzales Quino, magmula po sa ako'y Second Lieutenant hanggang ako po'y mag-Chief Superintendent. Alam ko po ang aking pagkatao, I have never been involved in illegal drugs activity. I have never been involved in any shenanigans, so to speak. I have never been involved in nefarious activities. And hindi po ako dregs of society, hindi po ako salot ng lipunan.
The three active generals who were named by the President yesterday have reported to me already. And I referred them to the NAPOLCOM for investigation. Since the instruction of the President yesterday was for them to report to me and to have NAPOLCOM make their thing, meaning NAPOLCOM will conduct the proper investigation. Any question?
Ako, ang una po magtatanong, Chino Gaston ng GMA7, to be followed by George Delines of CNN Philippines. Chino? Sir?
Malungkot. Malungkot sila. All other details sa aming usapan is amin na lang yun. Basta malungkot sila.
We have the question from George Delines, CNN Philippines, to be followed by Franz Guerra, TV5. George? Kung circumstance ba ng pagkatawag natin sa pag-usapan?
nagbigay ng information because ang allegation nila ay na-misinform ng presidente tungkol dito sa pagkakadawit dito sa illegal drugs.
Hindi namin napag-usapan. Basta lahat naman kami, we agree that the information is coming from the President. So, yun.
What will happen to them? Well, aside from the investigation, ano pa ba proseso? What will the President make sure na mag-a-appear sila sa
Since we referred them already to the NAPOLCOM, then they will be reporting to the NAPOLCOM for the investigation.
Franz Rivera, TV5, to be followed by Aya Macalma, PTV4.
Sir, masama yung loob nila kapag nag-production mga pangalan nila. Pero pag sabi ko sa inyo kung gusto ko yung loob nila, nasabi pa nila sa mga kaya ganun si General Kim na magaling ang pangalan.
Yun nga, malungkot sila. Malungkot.
Masama pa.
And they wanted to explain their side. And I listened to their side.
Sir, si General Kim sabi niya parang gusto niya mag-early retirement. Ano nga, nasabi niya ba yun sa inyo? Kayo ba may na-advise sa kanila?
Yung aming mga usapan doon sa loob is purely intimate and personal. I cannot discuss it in public. Amin na lang yun, yung aming personal relationship. Ang amin na lang, ang akin na lang may bigay sa inyo, aming official relationship as officers of the Philippine National Police. Yung aming personal lang is amin na lang. The advice to them, yeah, my advice to them is face the music. You face the music.
Aya Macalma.
Yes. They assured me that they will give their 100% cooperation to the investigation that will be conducted by the NAPOLCOM. Hindi ko yan mga mista lahat ha. Mga upper class ko yung iba dyan. They are here because this concerns the PNP. So we have to be one. Alangan naman, ako lang haharap sa problema. Damay-damay na kami lahat. Pati sila, damay sa problema. So, andito kami para magdamayan.
Next Tuesday,
Napolcom na bahala sa investigation.
Tuesday po, from CWD.
Sir, aside from this three active generals na napangalaman ni President Duterte, mayroon pa bang iba sa listahan ninyo?
Hindi sa listahan ko. Pero sa listahan ni Presidente, mukhang meron pa. And I don't want to preempt him from divulging those additional information. But hintayin na lang ninyo kung meron siya ilalabas. Basta my observation is I think meron pa siyang sasabihin na additional na mga pangalan.
Since it's worth it, how we can start?
Hindi naman, in fairness naman, they've been fighting since day one ng kanilang pagkasikan lieutenant, pag-graduate sa PMA, pag-graduate sa PNP, they've been fighting already. At may time man na hindi sila mabigyan na posisyon, I think that increase in pay and allowances is due them also. Dahil pinaghirapan nila yung rango nila na 1 star, 2 star, kahit na-floating sila, hindi sila makarating sa rango na yan kung hindi sila nag-drop. So siguro, karapat dapat din na makatanggap sila. Granting na wala silang posisyon, they still deserve that increase. Nauna kong na-meet si General Diaz doon sa White House kasi maaga siya masyado. Then later on dumating yung dalawa, dito na sa taas sa opisina ko na na-meet yung dalawa. So then minute ko silang tatlo all together.
Alvin Balgasar,
Sir,
Radyo ng Bayan.
Sir, sabi niyo po, i-turn over niyo na po sa NAPOLCOM yung investigation. Meron po ba kayong i-turn over sa kanila ng mga solid pieces of evidence for this poll?
Kung meron man, they are all classified. We cannot discuss that in public. So, classified yung mga dokumento.